Okay guys, so usually our most of our products ship with easy snap connectors, but with the solenoid kits and products, you can buy this separately, but this baseboard ships with it. It's got screw terminal connectors. So the solenoid channels are going to run on the motor switch channel 1 or motor switch channel 2. The equivalent of that on snap connectors is this or this. Electrically, it's all the same. So all we're going to do is we're just going to screw in the wires from the solenoids into these two terminals here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and screw in the solenoid valve leads into one of these switch terminals, each one into one, and the polarity doesn't matter, so you can get the wires reversed. The same is not true for some of the other components, but for this particular one you can just plug in, screw in each terminal, and make sure you've got a good tight fit on each one, and then go ahead and screw the other one in. And the reason you want to use these channels is it powers at whatever voltage you plug in on the back. So we ship with 12 volts, but you can drop lower if you want to run at a lower voltage for whatever reason. So go ahead and plug in your second valve into the second one. And the reason we use these channels too, these are diode protected, so these valves and pumps and anything with a motor is going to typically kick back a large current when it shuts off. So you've got this other channel screwed in, and that's pretty much it.